Unlocking the phrase, lock lips. Hey language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to delve into a popular English phrase, lock lips. Ever heard of it? Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this video will clarify the meaning and usage of this interesting expression. So, let's dive right in. The beauty of the English language often lies in its idioms. The words in an idiomatic expression often have a different meaning when combined than they do individually. This is the case with lock lips. Literally, lock, a mechanism for keeping something secure, or the action of securing something. Lips, the soft, movable parts at the opening of the mouth. But when you put them together, it paints a different picture. Idiomatically, lock lips means to kiss, especially when it's a deep or passionate kiss. It implies a closeness or intimacy between the people involved. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but seeing it in context can solidify your grasp. Here are some example sentences. At the end of the movie, the two main characters finally lock lips. They had been friends for years, but during the party, they surprisingly locked lips. Everyone cheered when the bride and groom locked lips at the wedding. English is rich with expressions about kissing. Here are a few others you might come across. Smooch, a casual term for a kiss. Peck on the cheek, a quick, friendly kiss on one's face, not on the lips. Pucker up, prepare to kiss. Each of these has its own nuances, but they all revolve around the act of kissing. So, the next time you're watching a romantic movie or reading a novel and you come across characters who lock lips, you'll know exactly what's happening. Idioms like these make the English language vibrant and colorful. We hope this video has been insightful and that you've added another cool phrase to your vocabulary. Keep learning and stay curious.